Hi, I'm Mike Akin. I'm the store manager here in our Fayetteville stores for Seeburg Service Center. I've been in the automotive repair business for about 36 years. Pretty much all I've ever done. I started in the shop, worked my way up. I've been in management probably the last 6, 7, 8 years. I'd like to have you come in, give us a chance to impress you. I have one of the best crews in the business. They're young, but they're really good. The best people to work for. I just don't ever have any problems with them. They always back me 100% because they know I'm going to do the right thing. My crew, I don't never have to worry about anything. We're all on the same page. Our main goal and focus is to get your car fixed right the first time, get it back to you as soon as possible. And the one thing I could say is for people that's been in the business a long time and it's just thinking about getting in the business. They have the best training. They're going to get you everything that you need. We have the tools and equipment that we need. They're going to take care of you when you get your ASE certifications. You're going to get days off when you need them, if at all possible. The company's going to come first, but most of the time we get anything we need here. We work for great people here. One great thing about it, we're not just an employee number. We're a person here, and it's just a big family.
Seeburg Service Center.